Hello again, viewers. As everyone knows, food is a major source of critical nutrients for us. The 6 essential elements that you obtain from your diet and their purposes will be covered in this video. Let us begin with the vitamin that makes up over 60% of our body. Indeed, we are discussing water. You can make it through even if you want to go on a diet and skip meals. That being said, without water, you cannot survive. You require water for all of your body's organs to function correctly. This drink removes toxins from the body and supports brain function. Water helps your body's cells remain hydrated. In addition, water facilitates the digestive process. Constipation may become a common occurrence for you if you are not a regular user of water. You will eventually become dehydrated if you aren't drinking enough water. Your body may experience negative effects from it, including mental and physical impairment. Not drinking enough water can also make you feel very tired and reduce your ability to concentrate. Vitamins. These nutrients' primary purpose is to prevent illness and maintain your health. It would be tough for your body to fight off the bacteria if you weren't getting enough vitamins. Your body needs around 13 different types of vitamins, but 4 are absolutely necessary. Vitamins A, 6, C, E, and D are these. Your body needs these 4 vitamins in significant amounts. You may have certain issues if you are not receiving enough of these vitamins. For instance, an insufficient amount of vitamin B6 may result in an unreasonably low blood pressure. In a similar vein, deficiencies in other vitamins can result in weakness, skin issues, and visual issues. However, a strong immune system is a sign that your body contains an adequate amount of vitamins. Appropriate vitamin consumption also lowers the incidence of prostate and lung cancer. Furthermore, vitamins are beneficial to your health since they contain significant quantities of antioxidant capabilities. What's more, it has been discovered that vitamins are crucial for a person's longevity. Protein. The vitamin that receives the greatest attention is this one. Any nutritionist you visit will recommend a wide range of foods to ensure you're getting enough protein in your diet. These consist of some cereals, meats, and eggs. Why then is protein so well liked? As it happens, the building blocks of your body are proteins. We don't simply mean muscles, though. We are conversing at a higher level. Everything in your body, including your skin, hair, muscles, bones, and cells, is made of protein. As a matter of fact, 16% of the typical human body weight is composed of protein. Proteins even make up your hormones and antibodies. To put it another way, living without this vitamin would be really difficult. The question, what are proteins made of, is raised by this. The explanation is really straightforward. They are composed of several kinds of amino acids. Protein is necessary for your body to function correctly. This is the reason your dietitians, even if you're trying to lose weight, consistently emphasize the need of having a high-protein diet. So remember that the next time they suggest having scrambled eggs for breakfast, their primary concern is your well-being. Fats. Indeed, the nutrient you wish to stay away from. Perhaps you shouldn't shy away from it after all. Of fact, our bodies may be seriously harmed by consuming too much fat. Our digestive and respiratory systems, as well as our heart and blood pressure, can all be negatively impacted by an excess of fat. Why then do we advise against avoiding fats? Well, a Harvard Medical School research discovered that fat facilitates the absorption of other nutrients. Furthermore, fats have a crucial part in the development of cells. In case the above evidence wasn't enough to persuade you, the study also demonstrated how lipids enhance muscle function. Because fat contains a lot of calories, you might wish to avoid it, but it would be better if you consumed fat and burned the calories. Additionally, the risk of heart disease will be reduced if you can burn calories and consume fats in moderation. Most significantly, there will be a decreased likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, it has been shown that consuming fat in moderation enhances brain function. Minerals. One of the first minerals that may spring to mind while discussing minerals for our bodies is calcium. Remember to take iron and zinc as well, even if they aren't the only ones. What then are the benefits of the wonderful trinity of zinc, iron, and calcium for the body? The mineral calcium is what gives your bones their strength. Additionally, It facilitates the movement of nerve messages throughout the body. Calcium enhances the contraction and relaxation of muscles and aids in the maintenance of a healthy blood pressure. In a similar vein, zinc is the mineral of choice for increasing your factor of healing. Your immune system is strengthened and your metabolism is enhanced by zinc. It also increases your resistance against diseases. The last mineral here is iron, which is responsible for the creation of your red blood cells. On top of that, iron also plays an important role in the production of hormones in your body. Carbohydrates. Even if the world is shifting to a diet low in carbohydrates, it is still one of the most vital nutrients for human health. Your brain and central nervous system are nourished by carbohydrates. You require a sufficient amount of carbohydrates for the healthy functioning of your neurological system and brain. Even if we wouldn't damage your diet plan by adding too many carbohydrates, maintaining a healthy lifestyle still requires consuming a certain quantity of this vitamin. Conclusion: are you consuming your nutrients? Do you drink enough water every day? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you.